All right, hey guys, I'm just leaving you this instructions video for the day, just so you know what to do. And so Miss Gail doesn't explain it to you, but if you do misbehave, I have a whole big stack of paperwork that you can do, and it'll take you all day, and I can take that for as grade if we need to. But I expect you to behave and do what you're supposed to, okay? So the first thing that I want you to do is actually your cursive handwriting. When you catch up with this, we are almost finished with the packet. We are ahead of everybody else in third grade. So right here, you're going to do pages 65 to 69. You're just going to click and watch that, okay? And watch it. I'm not going to play it for you because I just recorded it and I don't want to listen to it again. And some of them are real easy. Some are just you're writing a couple numbers and then you write the word in cursive. I mean, 2 or 3 of those pages are super easy and they're super quick and you're just going to knock them out. And that's why I have an extra page more than I usually do. Then, so we don't get behind on our writing or my reading, you will need to get your reading book, okay? So the morning class is going to be on the second story, The Grandma's Secret, but the first class does to go back. So I made a video for each one. So for the second story for the morning class, you're going to start on page 80. Okay? So you're going to watch that video. You're going to listen to it. I recorded what my lesson usually is. And see how it's muted. And you can just go back and read. And I read the story to you. If you want to reread it again, you can. Just rewind it. I am not opposed to it. I'm just going to unmute it so you can hear a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to read it to you. I read it to you. I go over the answers, and you still need to copy down what's in the story, okay? I'm going to discuss some things with you, like here. You need to copy down what I'm going to show, okay? I'm going to give you the answers. You just have to copy it down and listen. That's all I'm asking, guys. And then when you get to your short response, like I'm going to explain it, each one of you are going to have your own copy. It's right here with that video. Instead of you all having a shared document, the question is right here. You're going to put your number. So if you're number 1 or 30 or 25, put your number and put the response right here. Okay, there's not a time limit, so you can make it as in-depth as you need to be, but it should be at least 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, that's for the second story or the page 80 and 81 for the morning class. Once you finish with that, you need to get on iReady. Make sure you have all your reading time. If you have that done, you can get on Quizlet, study spelling. You can write your spelling words, or you can work on your vocabulary slides. But hopefully you don't cause any issues, so you don't have to work on your vocabulary slides. I'm not going to be here, so I don't really want you doing them in case you have any questions. But if you want to try to get a head start, you can, okay? But all this should take you a while. So you need to make sure you have your iReady reading time in. If you have a Standards Mastery, you need to do it. Now this is just for the morning class. The afternoon class, you'll have one extra little video that you'll have to do because we didn't get to it today, or I guess now it's yesterday for when y'all watch this, because we just ran out of time. So it'd be pages 78 and 79. I know this video says 77, but I just messed up typing on the video. I'll come back and edit it later. But y'all have page 78, 79, and 80 and 81 to do. So this one you just have to watch and copy what is written in your book. I read it to you. It's just the beginning of this unit. Again, just like with the other ones, I help you with the answers. I read it to you. So if you need to replay it, you can. And I write the answers down, and then I give you a clear-cut version so you can see it. So you don't have to read my awful handwriting, okay? It needs to be copied in your book. All of it does. And same with the first class. Your second story is right here. Afternoon short response, you're each going to have your own box to put it in because I'm not going to be here to observe you working with everything. And because if y'all mess it up anyway, you're going to put your number and you're going to answer the question. It needs to be at least 2 to 3 sentences, just like we always do. Correct capitalization and punctuation. Okay? And after that, same for y'all. Make sure you have ready time. Try not to do the vocabulary sides because I'm not going to be here for your questions, and you know you will have questions. But first, you do the cursive packet, and then do reading. But if you want, you could actually do the reading lessons first, get those knocked away, then do your cursive, since I know that takes some of you a little bit longer. Okay? So that I know that you watched to the end of this video, I want you to say, let's see, purple pumpkin. Okay? Hope you have a good day, guys. I will see you on Thursday. If you have any questions, feel free to put a private comment on any of the assignments. I should be able to see it. And don't forget, my camera will be at my computer. They're watching you. Have a good day, guys. See you Thursday.